How to go to the secret floor in elevator ride generation 2, Beeblebrox MX11, previously Pac-Man elevator. Firstly, click the button to floor 5. Then, wait until you are stopped on floor 5. Almost there. You hear the chime, right? That means you're stopped at floor 5. Then, click at the sign elevator 2. And press the button to ground floor. And wait until you are stopped at ground floor. Almost there. You hear the chime, right? That means you're stopped at ground floor. You found the secret floor. Congratulations. You're know the secret floor. Tell this to all of your friends. That's all for now. See you soon on my next tutorial video.